I've been running in circles at 10,000 miles of pavement, trying to make it all make sense. I've been underslept, overworked, overstretched, I'm exhausted, but I got you. I've had friends that have thrown me aside like a burned out cigarette, and times that I've taken it all, but then lost it.
O, pięknie to wygląda.
Ja?
I've been misunderstood, tasted the bad with the good, but I still got you. Oh. Deep. I got gravity pulling me under and into your magic, because love is a mystery. Oh, but we found it and I kinda like the way I can't explain it. I got you, I still got you. Slowed, I'm burning rubber, racing the thunder. Worn out suitcase and an old guitar, restless mind, I've got a rebel heart, call me a runner. Sometimes I wonder if I'll ever make it back to where I've been.
Ja, Radosław,
Biorę Ciebie, Amando, za żonę
biorę Ciebie, Amando, za żonę
i ślubuję Ci
i ślubuję Ci
miłość,
wierność i uczciwość małżeńską
małżeńską
oraz, że Cię nie opuszczę aż do śmierci.
oraz, że Cię nie opuszczę aż do śmierci.
Oh, man, I'll be ready for you. Searching for a sign, chasing shadows while I walk that line. I gotta wander, in deeper waters, 'cause no, my soul won't rest till it's on its way to somewhere I know I can't explain, but I take that risk, it's the price I'll pay, 'cause at the end of the day, oh, if you lean on the ones that you love, find your way home.
When you put your hand in my jacket, I'm thinking so irrational. You flew me international now. We can spend hours reading the signals, but that's so unoriginal. What if we took this back to my house? Under all these lights, I gotta take a minute to calm down. But I feel like if I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? I just feel like you need to know. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? I just feel like you need to know. I don't wanna feel like we're wasting time. Tell me, should I go and call up a taxi? We can make out for a play in the backseat. Please tell me now how that all sounds. could sleep in while I make breakfast, watch cartoons and talk about exes. And if you're happy, stick around. I just feel like this is worth the risk. I never felt a fire like this. If I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? I just feel like you need to know. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? I just feel like you need to know. Right here, right now, we're running out of things to talk about. Right here, right now, I'm about to let the truth come out. If I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? You tell me now. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? Keep my feet on the ground. If I told you I was ready right this minute, I just wanna go and lay you down. I just feel like you need it's clean. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell me now? If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? Keep my feet on the ground. If I told you I was ready right this minute, I just wanna go and lay you down. I just feel like you need it's clean. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell me now? If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? Keep my feet on the ground. If I told you I was ready right this minute, I just wanna go and lay you down. I just feel like you need it's clean. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and say someone? I just feel like you need to know. If I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you